Auto weekend. I haven't really recorded much because I've been really bashing on this thing, and it's just been a bunch of small stuff. Changing 3 different starters. I finally found one I think is good. It's worked well even when it's hot. Got my cup holders mounted. Working on some seat pillows for the driving portion. Everything under the hood is good. I actually routed my secondary temperature, which was in the gauges, not the Holley temperature sender. I drilled and tapped a port in the other side of the transpans, and now I got tranny temperature. I took it out for a drive. It's beautiful, never really got above 160. And the other thing I've been working hard on is this beautiful disaster. The trailer lights all work. The trailer hitch is mounted about as solid as I can make it. It's pretty close, pretty flush. Got the license plate on it permanently because I forgot to do that and drove 100 miles yesterday with no license plate. Oops. But yeah, I haven't changed the springs. I bought 2 sets of shocks because I watched Mike Finnegan struggle in that drag week that he won, constantly having to reset his shocks and springs for driving, towing a trailer versus not. And so I said, to hell with it. I just bought another set of AFCO shocks, just single adjustables with heavier springs on them. So I'll just be able to pull 2 bolts, bong, swap the springs out, and we're good to go, and not wear out or have to jack with the settings on the race springs or the normal driving springs. So I think you all know what this means. It's time to test. I think she's ready. That's more like it. Yep. I think she's ready. I don't know why it keeps flooding on me though. I gotta figure that out. It's just started doing that BS when it's hot. But otherwise, yeah. Driveway christened. Hope you're all having a good day. Take care.